to like and subscribe. My video is about how to extract a tooth without going to the dentist. Now, we're gonna do a conventional way to pull a loose baby tooth. My mama and ate experienced that when they were a kid. But how can we do it? It's easy. Tying one end at the doorknob and other end at the tooth. Now it's done and ready to slam it. It's done. Tooth. Ooh, I'm so happy that I don't need to go to the dentist. Wait, Mama, can I brush this? Ice cream treats are the best. Yay! After tooth extraction. Goodbye, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jack out.